For the front windshield on this 24 Tacoma, we have the 3M Crystalline 60. This is the first generation Crystalline. I'm mentioning that because I believe the second generation Crystalline, called the CR Black or Crystalline Black, I don't think that's gonna have this blue, purple, greenish reflective sheen that you see on here, which I personally like on just for the windshield. I wouldn't like this sheen on the other windows, but the windshield, I like it. It reminds me of the Jaguar and Land Rover infrared or IR OEM factory windshield glass. But anyway, so this is 60% to 60% film. It meters at 42.5% after installed, because the factory windshield glass on this Toyota metered at around 71%. Front door has XPEL XR-20 black. Front door window metered at around 86%, so this is metering final number 17.5%, give or take. And then the back door back glass, XPEL XR-70 black. Forgive me, 70 plus. This is a 68% film. Privacy glass meters at 30%. So the final reading on here is 20. So you got 2.5% difference, darker in the front. But it doesn't look that way because you have more light coming in through the windshield. So it's a perfect match. And I went with the Plus series in the back only because the Plus, for whatever reason, and oddly, the 70 Plus was a black film, and the 70 black had a slight blue hue to it before installing it, which is kind of weird. So I figured, let me just do this. But yeah, no, the shade is very close. The 20 black and the 70 blue over the privacy glass, this is very close. I can't tell. But yeah, I really like this outcome. There's a finer view. Nighttime driving isn't terrible. I feel 60% is as low as I would go. 50% film would be too dark for me. 60 is like borderline, but I think it looks really good.